That feeling right before you ask, that's not intuition, that's fear. You're not needy, you're scared. There's a difference, and knowing it changes everything. And honestly, that feeling makes so much sense. Something shifts. Maybe they got a little quiet. Maybe the response took longer than usual. And something in you just notices. And once it notices, it doesn't really let go. So you start reading, replaying, trying to figure out if the air between you two changed or if you're just in your head again. And somewhere in the middle of all that, you ask, are we okay? Or maybe it didn't even come out as a question. Maybe it came out as, I just feel like something's off between us. Different words, same fear underneath. And even when they say they're fine, part of you is already waiting for a sign that proves otherwise. That quiet doubt that's still thereafter was never really about them. Stop. Not because the fear isn't real, it is, but because what you're actually looking for, that feeling of being truly settled, truly safe, no question has ever been able to give you that. And it's not because the wrong person is answering, it's because the fear that's asking is older than this relationship. It learned to look for proof long before they came along, and it will keep looking until something interrupts it. That's where regulate comes in. And this one isn't something you say to them, it's something you say to yourself, right in that moment when everything in you wants to ask. Something like, this feeling is old. It's not what's actually happening right now. This is fear, not truth, and I don't have to follow it. That's it, just that, said quietly, just to yourself, not to push the feeling away, just to remind yourself you don't have to let fear sit in the driver's seat. Rebuild. Rebuilding isn't about never feeling the fear again. It's not about becoming someone who never wonders, never notices, or gets that quiet pull to check. Just to be sure, it's about what you do the moment after you say that sentence. You let it pass. You stay. You notice that nothing fell apart because you didn't ask. And slowly, not all at once, not overnight, that part of you that needed the answer starts to trust something different. It starts to trust you. Something shifts in the relationship too, not because you forced it, just because when fear stops driving, there's finally room for connection. That's what rebuilding actually looks like. Small moments of choosing yourself until choosing yourself starts to feel like home. Pause. That feeling right before you ask, that's not intuition, that's fear. You're not needy, you're scared. It was never about trusting them, you forgot how to trust yourself. Here's what you can do today. Stop. The next time that feeling shows up right before you ask, pause. Just notice it. That's fear talking, not truth. Regulate. Say this to yourself quietly. This feeling is old. It's not what's actually happening right now. This is fear, not truth, and I don't have to follow it. Rebuild. Let it pass. Stay. Notice that nothing fell apart, and do that one small moment at a time until you start to trust yourself. You're not needy or too much. You're someone who learned to look for proof of love in the people around you. You can start something different today. The stop, regulate, and rebuild framework isn't about being perfect. It's about being willing to pause, come back, and try again. Secure communication isn't something people are born knowing. It's something they practice, one conversation at a time. And now, you have somewhere to start. Just by being here, you're already doing the work. And that's not small, that's secure. If this resonated, like this video, Leave a comment below with what landed most for you, and subscribe so we can keep doing this work together. Real growth and transformation happens one shift at a time. And if someone in your life needs this today, share it with them. That's how we turn conflict into connection together. We built something that walks right alongside you. Take it at your own pace. It's yours whenever you're ready. Free link in the bio. Play gently, learn boldly. Bye for now.